Let's start. Today we will see how to implement a rating bar in Flutter Android. There is no native ratings bar widget available in the Flutter by default. So we have to use some library. For that, go to the pub.dev website. Here we can find various Flutter and Dart libraries. Search ratings bar library. Select this library. Go to the installing section. And copy this line. Now open the Android Studio. Select the terminal option from here. Paste that line that we had just copied. And press enter. Once the processing is done, open the pubspec.yaml file. Here in the dependencies section, you will find the rating library mentioned. Now click the pub.get option. Once the processing is done, we are ready to utilize this library. Let's see the main.dart file. First, we import these packages. Then, we create the stateless widget called myApp in the main function. This is the myApp stateless widget. We create a material app and apply a theme in the build function. The home attribute is set to a stateful widget called myHomePage. This is the myHomePage stateful widget. Here we create a state object of this stateful widget, whose name is _myHomePageState. This is _myHomePageState class. Here we will design our app. In the build function, we have a scaffold widget upon which we will build other widgets. The app bar attribute is set to the app bar widget. We have used the title variable as the title of this app bar. The body attribute is set to the center widget. This is the rating bar widget. Here we define the initial ratings of the bar, the minimum and maximum ratings of the bar. Then we define various colors like glow color, unrated color, etc. We set the direction as horizontal. The number of rating stars would be 5. In the item builder attribute, we design how we want the rating bar to be. We have designed a star-shaped icon here, with yellow color. When the change the ratings, the onRating update function gets called. Let's run the app. So that's it. That's how you can create a rating bar in Flutter Android. Thank you.